You're watching Gold Rush Whitewater in a rush, and we're recapping the Season 2 episode, When Bears Attack. So what happened? Hey, Carlos is back. He can't dive until his burns heal, but the show's positivity level is now over 9,000. Dustin sets a goal of a 15-foot hole in 1 week. Fred and Paul start in the water with both dredges running. They use a winch and a basket to haul out rocks, but they are fighting over who gets the basket and can't get rid of the rocks fast enough. The next day, Wes fabricates 2 new baskets from what looks like a pile of junk, because it's Wes, and he can make anything. Using it, Dustin and Fred head into the water and get 9 feet down. The entire episode they are being plagued by a bear that seems to want to get into Carlos's tent. Who wouldn't want to spend time with Carlos? They set up a trail cam to watch the bear terrorize their camp when they're away, and eventually set up a lightweight electric fence to keep the bear out. The next day the water is 2 feet higher and the front of the dredges are sinking. They use pulleys to raise the front ends up, which, if you're into watching engineering problems being solved, is awesome. Hands in the air, engineering nerds. The issue is taken care of, but the water is not safe to dive. 2 days later the water is calmer, but now their entire hole is filled back in. Rich takes his first turn diving in the water. He has problems seeing anything and is pushed by the current into the dredge. Fred sums it up best when he says, "Today was not great." The next day, Rich does better. Paul does better still and gets 7 feet down. A cleanup produces, well, they don't say, but it looks like this. Best lines. "Well, I thought I killed Carlos, and now he's back. I'm out of control of my head right now. Carry your guns, everybody be safe, because you're being stalked. We're throwing rocks, boom, boom, boom. That is death water if you fall in that. You're done, man." Tune in next time when Carlos convinces the bear to give up his marauding ways and instead dedicate his life to building homes for indigent sea lions. I was going to say 2 steps forward and 1 step back, but it's more like 9 feet down and then 9 feet back up. Well, they're getting gold and Carlos is back. What's not to like? Until next week, you can leave a comment below, subscribe, watch the old episodes, and I'll see you then.